Hi everyone, welcome to my morning routine 2021, the first of many. This has to be one of my favorite routines. It's super productive but a very balanced way to start my day. So, most mornings I have my cat Nala snuggling with me, but yeah, I usually wake up at 8 when my alarm goes off. I use this app called Alarmy, which asks me to solve math problems and memory games before I can turn off the alarm. This makes sure that my brain wakes up and I don't doze off again. Sometimes I even set multiple alarms. Also, when you're still half asleep, it's really hard to do even the easiest calculations. Suddenly, 2 plus 2 can be 8. Yeah, that's when I know it's definitely waking up my sleepy brain. Anyways, then I make my bed. Again, it ensures that I don't go back to my bed because it looks so cozy. Of course, do not forget to brush your teeth, guys. I don't do any skincare right now because I do have to dance and get sweaty later on. So right now I just splash some water onto my face to freshen up. Then I move on to make my green tea. Nala? Nala? Since 2021, I've been following a strict intermittent fasting routine. So I have my set fasting window and feeding windows. I don't actually follow this to become thinner or something. I do this because it makes my body feel so good. It actually has a lot of health benefits. You guys can check it out. My first meal is at 12. So until then, I just enjoy my cup of green tea. I shared in one of my videos how I want to read more in 2021, so I've made it a point to read for at least half an hour daily. This is perhaps my favorite part of the morning, staying warm and cozy, sipping on my green tea, playing BTS chill music, and just immersing myself into a book. So I finished rereading How to Be a Boss by Lily Singh, which I absolutely loved, and I even shared it on my Instagram. So next I picked up The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. After half an hour of reading, I take the next half an hour to reply to all my Meg fams' amazing comments and messages. It really makes my heart so happy, and I'm so grateful to be able to interact with you all like this. This is also the time that I mostly post something on my Instagram as well. Now it's time to finally move my body. I really want to get back to my dancing and just dance regularly and also maintain my form and flexibility. So here I'm following this basic stretch routine on YouTube. It is so relaxing and effective, perfect for beginners, and it's also only 16 minutes. Then I learn a dance routine looking at some YouTube tutorials or just choreograph something for Instagram Reels. One of my goals this year is to get fitter, so my first step is dance since it is something I love, and then eventually challenge my body a bit more and include weight training. But for now, I'm just doing dance. After dancing, I get about half an hour before my brunch, so I do whatever I want to do, honestly speaking. Mostly I look over my Asana and my planner to see what all I have to get done on that day. This sort of prepares my mind on what to expect exactly. Also, I don't think I emphasized it enough in my video yet, but I try to drink a lot of water throughout my morning routine, actually throughout the day. Again, it's a small but important habit that I'm trying to build this year. By noon, I break my fast by having whatever mom would have prepped for breakfast. Today, I just had bread toast, butter, and jam. Simple but so yummy. Since we don't have a house help due to the COVID situation, we have all split our household duties, so I am in charge of cleaning the house every day. Then after a much needed shower, I forgot to shoot this, but this is when I do my skincare, which is as basic as it gets. Just my simple face wash and bio oil. Now that I'm clean and feeling relaxed, I get super excited to start my Korean self-study. I'm so passionate about their language and their culture. This is a very enjoyable and knowledgeable part of my morning. Well, technically afternoon, but you get what I mean. Whenever I'm working or studying, I use a Pomodoro timer app called Focus Plant to ensure that I don't get distracted by my phone. I'm currently studying from Talk to Me in Korean. It is absolutely amazing. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing my Korean self-study routine. And yeah, this is pretty much it before I have my lunch, after which is when I start my hardcore work. I just love how balanced my morning is, making sure I feed my mind, body, and soul. I understand not everyone can set their own working and studying hours, but if you can include even one thing in the morning that you absolutely love, it'll give you the necessary boost of positivity and energy at the start of your day. I will link all that I spoke about in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I hope you enjoyed going through my day. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe to be part of the amazing Meg fam. Lots of love to you all. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, positive, and blessed. Bye.
What a wonderful world.